Hi guys, welcome to the day 2 of 100 days of learning AI. Today I'm going to teach you how you convert your AI avatar to a video. You go to the Google and type Runway ML. Then you click on the runway. Then you click on try runway. Log in with the Google account. You click on the get started button. Select an image from the previous one. The image is uploading. The image has been uploaded. Then you go to GPT and then you ask, write a prompt to create the video for this image. You add the image. You copy the prompt. You go to the Runway ML. You paste the prompt. Hit the generate button. Your video is in the queue and it is getting generated. This is my final video which has been generated. So guys, this was day 2. For the next 8 days, I'm going to share different helpful AI tools which will help you in building and enhancing your career. After 8 days, we'll start deep diving into the architecture of AI, how AI works and what are the different libraries, and help you gain knowledge to crack the interview. Let's get you paid up and above 15 LPA. Check caption for more details and follow for more.